Jai Sriman-Narayana.
Then Rama slowly leaving from Kausalya Devi. While leaving the Kausalya Devi's Bhavanam palace, all the people who were there, they all came to know about Ramachandra Swami's Aranyavasam. They all moving to tears, and after seeing Rama with so much of stable mind, all the people are getting shaken and moving to tears, and their hearts are their all the mind and all the hearts and thoughts are getting heavy because they are unable to digest the greatest amount of stable mindset of Ramachandra Swami. Now from there, Rama is now heading towards Sita's palace. There Sitamma does not know anything about all this disaster. Nobody knows about this, whoever there in Sita's palace. Sitamma also did fasting. Sitamma also did vrata. Sitamma also did so many pujas. She finished all the pujas and waiting for Rama. Then also Sita is now dreaming, imagining after Pattabhishekam how many of the pleasures, how many of the luxuries, how many of the great protocols, how many of the great honor Rama would be getting. With all that kind of imagination, Sitamma is enjoying happily in the palace. At that time, Rama is now entering Sitamma's palace. The moment Sitamma has seen Rama entering into palace, Sitamma immediately got up. Sita Samutpatya got up from her Simhasanam and going towards Rama. But Sitamma could not see any happiness, any joy in the face of Rama. Also Rama is bowing down his head. With all this, Rama is also feeling so much of grief within inside. And Rama's entire body is getting shaken. After seeing Sitamma, Rama could not suppress his grief anymore. Tamsokam Raghavasodhum. His heart was fully loaded with so much of grief. He has been suppressing it for so long, but now unable to suppress anymore. Now Rama started crying after seeing Sitamma. Then Rama's face got so pale. Vivarnavadanam drishtva tam prasvinnamarshanam. Rama's entire body is getting sweated because Rama is unable to understand how to convey this disastrous message to Sita. That is his fear. With that kind of fear, with that kind of grief, his body is getting shaken. After seeing Rama's face and body and so paleness, and while crying Rama, Sitamma got shocked and immediately came towards Rama and saying that, Natha, Rama, what happened? Why are you crying in this auspicious muhurtam? This is the muhurtam for your Pattabhishekam. Why are you crying? Why your face is not glowing? Why there are no people around you? Usually people comes along with you while holding umbrellas. Where are they? While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama हे हे राजा रामा, हे हे सीता रामा, हे हे सीता रामा. Jai Srimannarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimannarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say, I shall behave as you like, I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.